If you've ever tried trimming high branches with a ladder and a regular chainsaw, you already know how sketchy that can feel. In 2026, electric and cordless pole saws are more powerful than ever, with better battery life and serious cutting performance. I've picked 5 that stand out for homeowners, DIY users, and even heavier duty work. The DeWalt 20-volt pole saw is built like you'd expect from DeWalt: solid, dependable, and ready for real yard work. The 20-volt battery platform gives you strong cutting power without dealing with gas or cords. It handles medium to thick branches confidently, and the bar length is practical for trimming overgrown trees around the house. The pole extension allows you to reach high limbs while staying stable on the ground. The motor feels responsive, and chain speed is consistent under load. It's a great option if you already use DeWalt tools and want battery compatibility across your system. If you want reliable cordless cutting power for regular property maintenance, check the link below and see if this DeWalt fits your setup. The Craftsman 20-volt pole saw is a strong choice for homeowners who want straightforward performance without overspending. It's lightweight compared to some heavier duty models, which makes it easier to maneuver during longer trimming sessions. The cordless design keeps things simple, and the battery provides enough runtime for typical yard jobs. It handles small to medium branches efficiently, making it ideal for seasonal cleanup and routine trimming. The design feels user-friendly, especially for first-time pole saw users. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use cordless pole saw for home maintenance, check the link below and see if this Craftsman fits your needs. The Works electric pole saw is a practical solution for homeowners who want consistent power without worrying about batteries. Being corded, it delivers steady performance without drop-offs in power, which is helpful for longer cutting sessions. It's lightweight and relatively easy to control, especially for trimming smaller limbs and overgrown branches. The extension capability provides decent reach, and the compact design makes storage simple. It's not designed for extremely thick branches, but for regular yard upkeep, it performs well. If you prefer plug-and-play reliability and don't want to manage battery charging, check the link below and see if this Works model works for your yard. For heavier duty tasks, the Husqvarna, a gas-powered pole saw, brings serious cutting strength. While it's gas-powered rather than electric, it earns its place because of raw performance. It handles thicker branches and more demanding trimming jobs with ease. The engine provides consistent torque, making it suitable for larger properties or tougher tree maintenance. Build quality feels durable and professional grade, and the extended reach makes it ideal for higher branches that cordless models may struggle with under heavy load. It's better suited for experienced users who need extra power. If you need professional level performance and cutting strength, check the link below and see if Husqvarna is the right tool for your property. The Ryobi 1 plus cordless battery chainsaw is slightly different but still incredibly useful for trimming and mid-level branch work. While not a traditional pole saw, it pairs well with homeowners who need flexible cutting options within the Ryobi 1 plus battery system. It's lightweight, easy to control, and powerful enough for common yard tasks. Battery compatibility across Ryobi's tool lineup makes it convenient if you already own other 1 plus products. It's a solid option for cutting fallen branches and smaller trimming tasks when a full-length pole saw isn't necessary. If you want a versatile cordless cutting tool that integrates into your existing Ryobi setup, check the link below and see if this fits your yard work routine. The right pole saw depends on how often you trim and how thick your branches get. For regular home maintenance, cordless electric models are convenient and powerful enough. For heavier duty work, gas-powered options bring extra strength. The key is choosing the one that matches your property size and cutting needs. If this breakdown helped you find the right tool, subscribe for more practical gear reviews and check the links in the description for updated pricing before you tackle your next trimming job.